Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you on how to crochet this beautiful stitch. It is one of the variations of the fan stitch. This stitch is perfect for making blankets. It has a 3D look, and this is how the other side looks like. Alright, let's get started. We are going to begin by making a slip knot. Insert the hook and make a foundation chain in multiple of 4. I'm making a chain of 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once you have the desired number of chains, at the end of the chain, pass 2 chains. 1, 2. From here, on the third chain, that's 1, 2, 3. This one, turn to the back and place a double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Double crochet into the next chain, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and again into the next chain. Basically, this round, we're placing a double crochet into every chain, and I meet you on round 2. To begin round 2, 2 chains, 1, 2, and turn. On this post over here, place a front post double crochet. That is, yarn over, insert your hook behind the post like this, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, place 2 more front post double crochet into the same post. 2, 3. Skip the next stitch. On the next stitch, place a single crochet. Insert. Make sure you insert into 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Skip the next stitch. On this post, 3 front post double crochet. Yarn over, insert behind the post, and finish it like a double crochet. That's 1, 2, and 3. Skip 1, single crochet. Skip 1, 3 front post double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Skip 1, single crochet. And repeat this all the way to the end, and I'll meet you at the end of round 2. At the end of round 2, I'm on my last 2 stitches. Skip 1 and single crochet into the last stitch. and this round is complete. To begin the next round, 2 chains, 1, 2, and turn. On the third stitch, which is the second front post double crochet of the group of 3, this one, 1, 2, 3. Place a single crochet. Skip 1. On this single crochet, place 3 front post double crochet behind the single crochet post. 1, 2, 3. Skip 1, single crochet. Skip 1. On the single crochet stitch, 3 front post double crochet. Skip 1, single crochet. Skip 1. On the single crochet stitch, 3 front post double crochet. And this is a repeat, and I'll meet you at the end of the round. At the end of round 3, there's no more stitches left, but we have this 2 chain stitch. On the first chain, right here, place a single crochet. Two chains, and turn to begin the next round. And this is the repeat of round 2. Single crochet into the second front post double crochet of the group of 3. Then place 3 front post double crochet into the single crochet post. Single crochet, 3 front post double crochet. And this is a repeat. It's pretty simple. Please comment below to let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!